Hi everyone. Starting a little bit of a new thing this week. Still going to be graphing on a coordinate plane, but now we're going to be moving figures around the coordinate plane in different ways. They are all called transformations, so ways to move the figures. The first one is a translation. So hopefully you guys, hopefully you were able to print this sheet. I think most of you said you could. If you can't print, you can jot down the important things. So first thing is, what is a translation? So a translation is going to move every point of a figure the same distance and direction. So if this was our first figure, let's say on a coordinate plane, you would say move it to the right and down. So it would stay in the same orientation, so still look like a smiley face. It would just be moved somewhere else. All right, so the first shape is called the figure. The next one, as it says here, this would be the image of the figure. All right, so basically there's going to be a rule. You follow the rule and you move every single point. Right here, that's what this says. To translate a figure, move each point of the figure, the number of units and direction specified. So pretty easy. So here's your first example done for you. It starts with triangle ABC, and it gives you the points. So they graphed it here, ABC. Notice they labeled it A, B, C, okay? And it says the translation is to move it to the left 5 and down 3 units. So you take each point and you just count it out. So to move point B, I'm going 5 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Mark it and label it B prime. You do that with every point, and what should happen is you should get the same exact figure looking the same exact way, just in a different location. All right, let's try one ourselves here. So it says graph quadrilateral ABCD and its image after the translation to the right 3 up 6. Okay, so let's do this. Graph point A, -5, -4. Notice how they labeled the lines here, not the space. Quite nice. Oh, I forgot to label. That would be A, this would be B. C is 3, -6, that's C, and D is 1, -4. D, that does look like it's going to be a quadrilateral. Let's connect them. And guys, I put on the assignment there, you can try to do this in Cami. It's actually pretty fun to do it in Cami. I use the paintbrush for the points, like a size 8, and then I use the line function, and it's just so fun. And then you can use a text box to put the letters on there. All right, so that is the original figure. Now we have to move it to the right 3 up 6. Okay, so I'm going to start at point A, count 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is, and I'm going to label it A prime. All right, so the image is always going to have that prime next to it, and it wants us to write the points. So A prime is -2, 2. Okay, let's B prime, C prime, D prime. All right, B prime, I'm going to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. This will be B prime. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D prime, and C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I try to count it out each time in case I made a mistake. Hopefully I would catch it. Let's connect these. It should look like the same exact figure, same size, same shape, same direction. Just move. Do they look the same? Yeah, they do. All right. B prime was 0, 0. Nice. C prime was 6, 0. And D prime is 4, 2. And there you go. You just did your first translation. All right? Okay, let's keep going here. So there's a way, instead of saying up 3 or, up and over, there's a math way, of course, to explain the direction. It's basically right here. This is important. Arrow notation. So it says take the coordinate xy and do this to it. So this is really the one we just did. Oh, we went up, sorry. So this is add 3 to x, which would mean go to the right, and subtract 5 from y, which would mean go down 5. So I think it says here, direction and units to move. Move to the, oh yeah, same thing. This is a little cheat. If you're taking notes on the side, I mean, it's probably pretty obvious, but for x, if there's a plus, you're gonna go right. If there's a minus, you're gonna go left, right? For the y, so the y, if you wanted to take a little note, if it's a plus, you're gonna go up. If it's a minus, you're gonna go down. Hopefully that makes, common sense there. This is kind of outlining that. All right, so now they're giving us a picture, and they want us to come up with the arrow notation. They started it for us. So what's happening here? Now you have to know which image is the first one. So it's all about the primes. The original is always going to have just a letter. The image is going to have the primes on it. So this is going, and it's kind of telling us here, 5 right, 4 down. Every single point is doing that. So 5 to the right means you add 5 to the x. 4 down means you're gonna subtract 4 from the y. Look at the points, guys. Point R is 4, 3. Guess what? If you add 5 to the 4, you should get 9. Is that where R prime is? Yep. And if you subtract 4 from the y, you would be at -1. Is that where? Yeah. So that's how the math is working with the original and the image. All right, there's another one. Let's try this one. Write a rule for the translation of triangle FGH to its image. Remember, you got to find the first one. So here's the original, because there's no primes on the letters, and it's going here. I just picked one point, F to F prime, okay? So let's do that. Actually, let's start. X, Y is gonna go, let's see, the X is going 1, 2 to the left. So you're subtracting 2 on the X. I ended up here, and now I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so that would be Y minus 4. You can check the other points. Does it go 2 left? Yes. 4 down, 1, 2, 3, yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're good. All right. And last thing to practice here, describe the translation in words. All right, hopefully this makes sense. This would mean move 7 left, and plus 2 on the Y means up, so move 2 up. That's it. All right, so like I said, the practice problems I'm not going to collect, but you can print them if you want to use, pencil, paper, totally fine. If you want to do it on Cami, it's kind of fun. There's some graphing, there's some multiple choice. So go ahead, let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys are doing great. Bye.